I am here in the incredible studio of Shani Darden in Beverly Hills. Obviously, we're gonna do a facial, which is very important, especially leading up to the first Monday in May. Your facials are magic.
Your face has always been really good. You just get a little bit of congestion. Aurora was also very afraid of getting extractions because of pigmentation. So we have given her all the perfect products. She is now using my Rescue Serum, which is an azelaic acid serum. It's keeping away the congestion while also treating the pigmentation. Now we're gonna do an amazing facial, get her ready for this event. We're gonna do everything gentle, tone, tighten, lift, and she's gonna leave glowing.
Okay, so what is this?
This is my cleanser. We're gonna cleanse your skin, which is gonna be magical and gorgeous. This is the sculpting one that you're supposed to use on your face that you haven't been.
You're using two?
Because I'm a professional.
Wow.
Also can help with any inflammation. So really great the day of the event.
Feels good. This is like a layer of my skin burning off, or?
We're just getting rid of all of that dead skin. Beautiful.
People can do that at home?
Yes, they can with my triple acid signature peel. You will get that burn. It's just not as long. It's very fast. Let's look here what we've got going on. So we are going to do a little LED light, which helps decrease fine lines and wrinkles. Also really good at calming the skin, which is what I need. Normally, I wouldn't do extractions so close to event. I mean, she still has time. I know her skin and this area will be healed. We just finished the facial. You're glowing, absolutely glowing. You're gonna go about starting your routine tomorrow. Tonight, I just want cleanse, sulfur on the areas I extracted, and then you go into your routine.
For the people who wanna know, what I do is I actually use all of your products every day. I use your cleanser, hydration peptide cream, and then at night, I alternate your retinol and your rescue serum. And that's like my whole routine. I do sunscreen, but other than that, that's truly what I do every day. And so you're saying just maintain it.
It's perfect. And if you want, again, to do a peel before, you can do my triple acid signature peel the day of. You will still have this glow.
I feel like I'm ready for the red carpet.
You are, you are.